How to find your Venmo transaction history. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can find your Venmo transaction history. Now I'm guiding you with this website help.venmo.com here. So what you can do is how you can view your transaction history on the Venmo website. You can download your transaction history as a CSV file by clicking the download CSV button next to the view button on your transaction history. You can download your history in 1 month windows going back 3 years. If you need to see older transactions, we need to send you a statement via email, so you'll have to contact the support team. Alternately, you can view your personal transactions feed on the Me tab in the Venmo application. If there are any specific transactions you would like to look, tap at the magnifying glass or the search bar to start a search. So hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues as well.